I'm Mike Lopez. I'm an active safety engineer, and we're here at the Dearborn Development Center in my hometown of Dearborn, Michigan, at the Ford Motor Company, and we're ready to see the forward collision warning system. What that does is there's a radar in the front of the vehicle, and the radar watches the traffic that's in front of you, and if you are about to collide with that vehicle in front of you and you haven't done anything about it, it'll warn you with an authoritative beep and also with a heads-up display in the windshield. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let Brian go ahead. The strikeable target that we have is made out of foam, but it has the same radar characteristics as a vehicle, as a real vehicle. So I'll let Brian go ahead. Go ahead, Brian. So what we'll be doing is we'll be simulating a collision. So the vehicle that's in front of us, so we're driving down the road, and we'll simulate that we're kind of coming home from work. Maybe you had sort of a long, frustrating day, and your mind and eyes could be somewhere other than on the road. But the system warns you in plenty of time to brake and avoid the accident. Correct. I applied the brakes myself. Current production vehicle, this is a 2013 Ford Flex, and so we currently have in production systems that warn the driver. In this case, we're doing the vehicle, the target vehicle is going around 15 miles an hour, and we're going around 30 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour. Sort of trying to mimic, city type traffic. So we'll go ahead and do the event one more time.
We are done with the side effect equation.
So he's about at 15 miles an hour. And the forward collision warning system is looking for two things. One, are you about to hit something? And two, have you done anything about it? Because if it sees that you're steering or braking, it won't warn. But if it sees you haven't done anything about it, then it will go ahead and warn you. And it's very similar to having your spouse next to you. When I was driving once and I hadn't paid attention to a traffic situation, my wife saw that she saw two things. We were about to hit something and I hadn't done anything about it. So she warned me by sort of screaming my name. But the difference with the forward collision warning system is our eyes are on the road 100% of the time. So the radar never blinks.
And so this is a replacement for marriage, you're saying?
You said that, not me. So that's the system, and they're ready to have you come over to the collision avoidance system, and we'll go ahead and transfer you guys over to that now.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.